I was recording and then my battery died, and then I realized that this is one of the disadvantage of this, that the battery dies in 30 minutes, so I have to keep it back in the charging case. Actually, I was in a really interesting place, kind of a thing which was made for a sad event. It is next to Brandenburger Tor, and this area is like a memorial for murdered Jews during the time of Holocaust. So I wanted to show you guys. Look at this. Uh, so as you know, before World War II, or during that time, there were so many Jews were killed, and this area has been like a memorial for them. And the guy who made this, the architecture, it's kind of a little bit creepy as well, because you see all these big slabs and then you don't know, like from anywhere anyone can just pop up. Well, when I was here first time, I was quite not like I didn't know the history about it, and we all were like, me and my friends, we were jumping on top of it, which is not a good thing, because it's like a memorial for the dead people, for the murdered people of Holocaust. And afterwards, when I came to know, and I felt very bad, so now I'm again here and I'm having a walk inside. Yeah, it took a long time to make this memorial. Actually, they should have made it before, but yeah, it took them almost 60 years. If I remember correctly, it was 2003, somewhere around that, the architecture, Mr. Eisenman, he made it. He started the construction of this, and his plan was like to put around 4,000 slabs of this. But then I think it's not 4,000. Yeah, I'm not sure, guys. Maybe around 3,000 it is now. I'm not sure. If you guys really want to know about this place, this memorial of murdered Jews in Europe, then check online. Yeah, sad. And yeah, it's pretty much like this, complete. So like you go more towards the end of this memorial, the slabs are smaller, but when you go more towards inside deeper, the slabs are higher and higher. Yeah. Hello. Hi. Oh, that's pretty interesting. Ah. Ah. I like this area quite. It's pretty much expanded and nice area. I totally forget that how this area was looking like when I came here first time. Oh yeah, I think the guys are also fellow vloggers. They're using their Osmo. That's cool. I'm gonna have some chat with them. I was speaking with the guys. Actually, they had Osmo mobile, that also camera for vlogging and doing kind of an action cam, So right now I'm shooting an Insta360 Go to, this new model of Insta360, and I was thinking about buying that one before, but I was like, nah, this one looks more cool, so I took this one. That's why. And I saw these guys with that camera, then they were asking me about my camera, this action cam, like, okay, what are the good things and all. Then we had quite a good chat for 20 minutes. Yeah. So now I'm going to S-Bahn station, and then from there I will go to main central station, and then from there I will change another bus, and then I'll meet my friend. I'm hungry as hell. I'm hungry a lot. But yeah, I'm quite happy as well that the weather is good. Usually in weather app it was showing that it's gonna be raining a lot, but it's pretty good, thankfully. This is like a intercity express, ICE, really fast one. It goes until 250 kilometers per hour. And this side is more like normal trains. Yeah. I'm quite sensitive, so I always try to keep distance, I don't want to get corona or something. I'm really sensitive and I have high chances of getting it. Yeah. So I'm at the train station. I have to wait here for my friend. She will arrive here somewhere. I don't know. It's pretty loud here. I don't know where to wait for her. I want to sit somewhere actually. I'm quite tired from walking. Oh man. There is no place to sit that side. This side. Yes. I will just sit here. This looks good. Really tired. I was so tired from walking. I needed some place to sit. So this is like a waiting section here in train station. I will show you guys around. So there it is. This in the section, electric heater to get heat in the winter time, and same is on that side too. Small bargain for kids to play. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for my friend. Hopefully she will be here in 10 minutes. I hope so, or maybe longer, I don't know. But I have a bus to go back to Hamburg at 5:30, so roughly I have 2 hours to chill more. And then I will be in Hamburg at 9, then I'll be home hopefully by 10. Then I'll have dinner, or possibly I will just take dinner from outside and I will eat it and then go to bed. Yes, quite a long journey today. Too many things in one day. Here actually there are no one, only one person is sitting in that corner. I'm sitting alone. So I'm going back now. It was a good trip. Hopefully by 10 p.m. in the night I will reach home, and yeah, this will be it. So I'll see you next time, guys. Be safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.